Calling 2025 CR 010464, State versus Christina Anna Marie Taylor. Can I have parties announced?
Yes, it's your partner's brother.
Melissa Albin for the state.
Defense.
Nick Aguilar on behalf of the Honorable Christina Taylor.
And are you Miss Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Probation, there's no application. Ms. Taylor, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, you're proceeding on the indictment as presented, correct?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes, we are. That's correct.
All right. Ms. Taylor, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Very much so, yes, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Taylor, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-enter into the States. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine, no applications. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 30332 and 2025 CC 011643. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor, there has not.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
No, contemporary.
All right. State any evidence?
State offers into evidence states exhibit 1 with its attachments.
And Judge, we've had the opportunity to review those exhibits and have no objection.
All right. State, you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
If you would consider it, yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just think that she's making the right choice today. She does have 105 days in custody. If you give her credit for that time, I explained to her that she still owes the state jail 75 days. And then if she took a life skills class, which I think they teach you to boil water, iron shirts, then you would consider giving her a 20% discount on that after
Mhm.
completing that class. She said that she'll go to the state jail, but she didn't really want to do the class.
All right. Okay, court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. The court will take in consideration 2025 EF 30332 and 2025 CC 011643. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I can recommend therapeutic community for you. It doesn't increase the time that you're in, but hopefully it can help you get on the right track where you can become sober. Because if you don't, I've read the police report, what's going to end up happening is you're probably going to end up dying, or either you're going to end up in prison for the rest of your life. Because the drugs you're using, any drugs, right, are dangerous. But what you're doing, it's not good for your body. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your brain. It's going to attack every part of your body. And you don't want, do you have family here?
Yes. I
Right.
grew up in Toma County.
All right. Do you have anybody here in San Antonio as a support system?
Not,
I believe there's somebody in Civil, Judge.
yes, Cibolo, my sister.
All right. Do you have any children?
No,
All right. Mom, dad?
mom, and I don't know where my dad is right now. I do have my mom in Florida. I was considering moving out there with her.
Mom's in Ellington, Florida,
Mhm.
and then my notes here have their dads in.
Right.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm just sort of scared of prison.
Well, here's the thing. That's right now, that's probably the best for you. And the reason why I say that is because you're not, the last time you use could be the last time you use. And then you know what would end up happening? Your body would be found. Your mom, your dad, or your sister would have to identify you. So you're going to have to get major help when you're released from the state jail facility. If I'm still here, you come here. I will pick up the phone. I will find a sober support living house, place for you to live, because you really need the help. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, may we be excused?
Yes.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay, stay, stay.